Future simple. Here I am. I'm back. Where were you? Well, I called my band and told them we have a new partner. Oh, really? I'm so happy. But what? Well, they want to test your grammar skills. Oh no. You need to know everything about the future by tonight. Future? Tonight? I can't make it. Yes, you can. Trust me. I will teach you everything about the future. I'll be good, I promise. So, to form the future simple, it's really easy. You need will plus verb. For example, you will be part of my music band. Oh, great! I will work hard and I will study English. Very good. You will learn grammar quickly. You will pass grammar test. I hope so. Now, listen carefully. To form questions, it's easy. You need to put the words in this order. Will plus subject plus verb. Okay, now this for me is Arabic. Will you play the violin at dinner? Oh, yes, I will. Will you stay for dinner? No, I will not. I will go home to feed my hamster. Oh, I understand. Will you test me? Yes, I will, but I need 5 minutes. Okay, in the meanwhile, I will study. An hour later, he did it again. Remember, to form the future simple, you need for the affirmative form, subject plus will plus verb. I will go. For the negative form, subject plus will not plus verb. I will not go. Questions. Will plus subject plus verb. Will you go to school? The end. Thank you for watching and have fun.